Hey my friend, this is Anders Larsson and I have an incredible video for you today. What I want to talk to you about today is something really cool. What you're gonna see in this video is how the really big online marketers have built a multi-million-dollar business building products based on the experience they got from their online business journey. And I'm gonna show you how you can do exactly the same. Alright, so let's jump into it. Let's draw the sales funnel to make it more clear what I'm talking about. First, the value component, and this is what you are watching right now at this moment. If you click my link in the description, you will get redirected to my landing page or capture page. And this is where you can sign up. And when you sign up, you will land on the thank you page, as well as receive my free video training in your email. And on the thank you page, you can get access to the business opportunity or the system. So the business opportunity that I'm using in my business has tons and tons of training. Now what you do is take a small portion of the training. What I mean is that the training has a number of courses, and each course has modules, and the courses could be about YouTube marketing or Facebook marketing, pay-per-click marketing with Google AdWords, pay-per-click with solo ads. What you will have to do is to decide what method you want to use. Don't use all methods to begin with. Choose one, and when you have decided to use a particular method, then contact me, because I want to make sure that you understand the plan. Anyway, not only will this training or these courses bring you success to your business, but you can also packet that experience and build your own products from it. The big names or the big online marketers like Grant Cardone, Lopez, and Forleo, they have gone through this training. They have been mentored, they have been coached, they have been guided, and all this have built up their experience. And what they did was they built products from that experience. They built boot camps, courses, masterminds, seminars, ebooks. Now, what's really cool about this is while they have been in their online journey, they have built a very large list or a very large email database of people. And from this big list, they recommend or advertise their products. Now, here's the thing that will blow your mind. All what they do is to teach people how to make money. Many of the products are already in place. The sales funnel is in place. They own the business opportunity or the system. So people that are looking for alternative income streams or people that are looking for opportunities are really looking for roadmaps or guidance. And they will always invest in courses. They will always invest in masterminds. So imagine yourself taking action so you can fire your boss and have all these great things happen for you. If it makes sense to start your own online business and it makes sense to partner up with me, then I want you to let you know that I will be behind you in your corner. I will have your back and help you out. But in order for this to work, you have to be committed and you have to be ready to just dive into things. Because if you start to analyze and you start to ponder, it will just slow you down. You will not be able to see what's behind every step, what will be revealed to you, and you will not be able to decide what actions you want to take because you are standing still in one step, trying to make a decision of something that you don't see. What I will tell you is success will happen when you decide it's going to happen for you no matter what. You simply just have to make a decision to follow through and then really follow through. So I want you to do your own kind of gut check. Feel your gut. How bad do you really want to do this? And be prepared that you will have failures, but you will also have wins. Be honest with yourself. Is this for me? Am I cut out to do this? Maybe I'm not. You can have really good intention to start your online business, but you need to be mentally prepared to make a change and prepared to make those changes that you need to make to yourself to be successful. Have the discipline to do the job. And this is why I provide my free video training, because it is very much about the mental preparation. Most of your online business will be about the mindset. Because if you don't have that mindset that is required to have success in your online business, you will not be able to go through all the work that you need to go through in order to build your online business successfully, in order to become a top earner. So this was the end of this video, and I hope this video was inspiring. If you got some value out of this video, then please press the like button. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe button and click that bell notification to get notified when I release new videos. If you are serious about starting your online business, then go ahead and click the link in the description down below this video. This will take you to my training, as well as give you an opportunity to become a member in the system that I'm using to make money. It requires a small financial investment to become a basic member. Anyway, this business opportunity can absolutely transform your finances. It can transform your lifestyle. It can allow you to walk away from your job. It can put a significant amount of money in your pocket. It can pay off your debts. And it can literally save and change your life. Alright, so thank you for watching and have an awesome day or night wherever you are, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.